Hello and welcome to a tutorial on setting up profiles on the Teq AV WiD 410 ENT wireless device. We're just going to run through the traditional screenshots of what you would normally see when you get it out of the box and start to set this up, and then we'll run through an alternative for you as well. So you load up the drivers. We haven't got the audio driver loaded. And so this here will come up, as you can see. If you have the audio driver loaded, then that will load up there. Right, so this is what you would see when you first load up the little exe file, and you would go in here and put the IP address in or the device name, and if you had the login code activated, you would put login code there. Okay, so here we go. We're going to run through setting up a profile on the WiD 410. We're just going to cancel this here, what you would normally see. We'll go into this here, and we'll go to Connection Profile, Manage Profile, and here's what we're going to do is set up a profile. So Edit, Add, I should say. We're going to call this profile, let's in the state in the case of say education, you have room numbers or general learning areas, or let's call it GLA 1. Alright, SID not applicable. You put the IP address in. For this it's 192 168 1 what is it? 118 it is. Let's call it St. Joe's School. Alright, and the login code again, if you had it activated, you could have it in there. What we recommend in an education environment is to have one login code for all the devices that you have, all the WiD 410s, and then you just put that one login code in. Alright, and we'll go save. As you can see there, it's GLA 1. You would then, so if we go OK, and we'll just close out of that, and we'll just double click to see what would now happen. Same again with the audio driver. Okay, so this would now come up. If you want to connect to GLA 1, you go connect, and you'll have some screen changes if it's depending on what you've got settings on. Alright. And then away you go, you're connected. So simple way to set up profiles, simple, easy user, teacher friendly and child friendly. Okay, so what we're going to show now is a way that you can set up one list of profiles in a school, and then and just create one text file, and then dump that text file on every user that uses a WiD. So in a school case, it might be every teacher that has a username. So that they can connect to all the classrooms. Let's just go in. The way to go in is start computer, into the C drive. Obviously everything's loaded up. You go into users, in this case it's the big picture, and app data. App data is a hidden folder, so you may need to press the alt key to open up the hidden files. Into there, local, and we go down to Teq WiD ENT. There it is there. You can see this profile is just simply just a text file. Open that up, and as you can see, the profile of the room that's been set up. Now, if we wanted to create a full list of rooms, all you could do is, let's call it 2, and we'll go profile. There's no space. Profile name equals GLA 2 server IP. I'm just copying, literally just copying above. IP equals 192.168.1. GLA 2 might be 19. Okay. User name equals, and we'll call it again St. Joe's, Joes. And if you had the login code, you'd type the login code below. Now this could take a while. If you're doing this, you might want to do this in Excel, and cut and paste and make it suit, and we'll call it GLA 3, call it server IP equals 192.168.1.20, user name equals Saint JOES. Okay, and we'll just go file, save, close that, close that. Let's start again. Yes. Okay. There you go, and there we have our profiles. So effectively all that needs to come up is click on the room and connect. So GLA1, and away we go. So that's how you create profiles. Now if you have more than one user on a computer, you have to set it up per user. So if you really, the best way to go, if you set up one user, you set up one file, and as you go into there, as we were showing before, you into users, big picture, app data, local, Teq WiD, Control C, and you go back into here. Where are we? Gaia, app data. Don't think it's even installed in there. Can't give permission. I haven't got my permission set to do that, but you could go in and put it on that other user or deploy it across your network, and away you go. Alright, so that is the tutorial on setting up profiles on the WiD Teq WiD 410 ENT.